Okay, hearing that Amazon has blocked the cinema movie APK, it just got me thinking about all the different cinema Kodi builds. And if you guys don't know, Kodi is the best movie application. It can be used as the best movie application out there. And I'm just counting on my hand about 5 different cinema builds. If there's any more, guys, that you know of, let us know. But this one is called Cinema Plus from the Realist. And I know it came out some months ago, but I've never really checked it out. All right, I've not checked it out. And of the other builds, we got this channel. If you do a search on this channel, just type in cinema, you'll see like cinema, you see cinema flicks, you'll see cinema Debrid. And, you know, they all come with with their own sort of downloader code. So this one is a unique one, so to speak, because you got the list. You got, it says Theatre 1, Theatre 2. So it's like when you go to the cinema and you got different screens. So when you do click on it, it takes you to different, different add-ons, different movie add-ons. So this one is one for you guys to check out. Cinema Plus by The Realist.